Let's go on an adventure. Sup, YouTube family? Welcome to the beginning of summer 2023.
It's a gorgeous day today, very atypical for this time of year. It's like 83 degrees.
It's Memorial Day weekend, so you expect there to be a lot of crowds, but there really isn't.
It's a pretty light day.
Yeah. Join us in the park. Universal has recently released a new Minions ride for this summer, 2023, and has deemed this area Minions Land. I don't hate to be that guy. So this is the new ride, Villain Con Minion Blast. It's supposed to be interactive with your cell phone in the Universal app, featuring the Vicious Six. So, Papa Nana banana flavored popcorn. Supposedly, they have this in Japan, and it's a hit.
I don't know if I'm gonna like it.
I don't know. I feel like that's not true at all.
That's a long wait if it is true.
And usually, if it is that long, there's a queue outside, and there's not, so. I feel bad for this photographer right here. People thinking they want photographs in front of Fast and Furious.
So, pro tip, you can get water from these machines for free. Just don't set your cup down. Hit the water button. And, oh, there we go. Fill up your cup.
Cool fun fact is that we're about to go on an adventure this summer. Guess where we're going?
Is the building behind us a hint? Who knows? Maybe.
Who knows? We will. Fun fact about this bus. This is one of 2 of the night buses that was filmed in the movies. The other one is at the studio in London.
I said, look up Baltic, look here, look up back here.
Who's there?
Creature! What? Word first date. End of the school year just ended yesterday. How many students got an A+ or an F on my test? There's always that one kid. Oh. That dude went too hard with Mr. Duff. The Florida sun is no joke.
That's why it's important to apply sunscreen regularly.
The perks of getting old.
There's a come. Oh no, it's walking by. Okay, hello.
Hello.
I was just making sure I didn't know what was happening.
I went to your house and you weren't there.
I know, because I'm here.
Oh, okay.
You see?
How long have you
See
been
how
here,
that
though?
works?
This was a year ago.
Well, it's been time
What were you
travel.
doing?
Time travel doesn't actually work that way. You see, it's not linear.
Okay.
You're jumping all over the place.
So-
for you, it could have been 10 years. For me, it could have been 5 minutes.
Sure.
For instance, I've been here for quite some time. For my wife, it's been like 3 minutes I've been gone. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
That's how time travel works.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. It's
all
hard.
over
It's
the
hard to
place.
keep straight in my head.
Yeah,
so,
well, I know it's
yeah.
difficult. That's why you have to have a multiverse watch. You see, you got multiple
Oh.
timelines on that. We know what time it is no
Wow.
matter where you're going.
Yeah.
You've been
great.
recording this whole time. And with, what's your name?
Aubrie.
Marty. And so Marty and I are going to actually do a quick experiment for you folks at home in
okay.
the future. Now, as you can see here, I have these sunglasses from the year 2072. I have miniaturized my brainwave analyzing technology and inserted them into these glasses.
Okay.
All right, using these glasses, I'll be able to read Marty's mind, okay? Here we go. Marty, clear your mind. Nice and clear?
Yes.
You're telling me it is. All right, here we go. Marty, think of a number between 1 and 10.
Okay.
Do you have it?
Yes.
What is it?
What?
Marty, what's the number?
11.
11, great Scott! I thought 11 was going to be incorrect because it's beyond 10, but it's not. It was right there on my glasses. Marty, up top! Boom!
4 o'clock. You know what that means. So with a Universal Premier Pass at 4 o'clock, you can get express at any ride except Hagrid's, but only once per day.
All these people express. This was my one request of the day. E.T.
I don't know why, but it smells good. Holy crap, look at all this line. Great Scott, I think we went too far back.
Look at the size of that skeleton.
Teacher's pet.
Look into my eyes. Too. So about once a quarter, Universal changes what they call the tribute store, and they have a different theme. So this quarter's theme is Jurassic Park, and I picked up a little lanyard pouch because mine has a hole in it. So, all right.
Keep in mind that the tribute store will be open all summer long, or really until Halloween Horror Nights.
So now we're going to see how many steps it takes to walk between Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. Right now I'm at 5,058 steps. Let's see how many steps it takes.
it's not the time for popcorn.
Fine. So we are now at 5,502 steps, which means it took about 444 steps to travel between the parks.
Found the crowds.
Seems much more busy over here in Islands today.
When students are disrespectful. Pro tip, this freestyle machine is never busy. Rest in peace, Poseidon's fury. Welcome to Jurassic Park. I never knew that Harry Potter was a dinosaur.
You're a raptor, Harry.
Is that you? Ah, I found him. First launch, 40 miles an hour. Second launch, booster, 70 miles an hour.
Best ride in the park? You decide.
Mom? We are getting into the most brutal part of the day. It's almost 6 o'clock. The sun is extreme. Extreme sports.
We hope you enjoyed following along with us today at Universal Orlando.
Make sure to catch us on our next adventure.